Looking for efficient hacking tools that you can use anytime, anywhere? You're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with insights into the latest and most effective hacking tools that can help you streamline your cybersecurity assessments. What you'll find here. On this channel, we focus on quick hacking tools that can be used on the go. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, ethical hacker, or just curious about the world of hacking, we've got you covered. We'll be sharing tutorials, demos, stories, and reviews of various tools that can assist you in performing penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, network analysis, and more. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're committed to regularly uploading high-quality content that keeps you informed about the latest trends and tools in the hacking and cybersecurity space. What to expect? Tool reviews. We'll dive deep into various hacking tools, exploring their features, pros and cons, and real-world applications. Tutorials. Step-by-step guides on how to use specific tools effectively, accompanied by practical examples. Best practices. Tips and tricks for maximizing the efficiency and safety of your hacking endeavors. Ethical hacking. We promote responsible and ethical hacking practices. Our content is intended for educational purposes only, and we strongly discourage any illegal activities or unauthorized access. Stay within legal boundaries and use your skills for the betterment of cybersecurity. Connect with us. Have a tool you want us to review or a topic you'd like us to cover? Feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments section. Join us in exploring the fascinating world of hacking tools and techniques that empower cybersecurity professionals to protect digital landscapes. Remember, knowledge is power, and using it responsibly can make a positive impact. Subscribe now and become a part of our hacking community. Stay curious, stay secure.